Fourth generation BMW X5 has been launched in India at Rs 72.90 lakhs. The 2019 BMW X5 is being assembled at BMW's plant in Chennai, and it will be available with both petrol and diesel engine options. The petrol X5 will be offered only in the M variant, while the diesel will be available in Sport and xLine trims. Engine options include 256 HP 3-litre 6-cylinder turbocharged diesel or the 340 HP 3-litre 6-cylinder turbo-petrol engine. Both the engines will be mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission which sends power to all four wheels via BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system. Design-wise, the car gets redesigned front bumper, new headlights and new daytime running lights. On the inside, it gets a new dashboard layout featuring two 12.3-inch digital screens.